Well, 2022 is at an end, and in this video, we will take a look at what the future holds for the most famous cryptocurrency of this year. That's right, I am talking about LUNC. Before we move any further, welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. Billionaire predicts that Luna Classic will go to $10. Today's Terra Luna Classic price is 0.00024,898 cents. This is a decline of 5.5% over the previous 24 hours. In addition, the cryptocurrency dropped by 11 a week and by 19 a fortnight. The previous convention this month loses momentum despite the ongoing symbolic consumption of Binance and other groups. Since it hit a record-breaking low on May 19th, Luna has been the best-performing big digital currency. It's not clear whether its post-crash bounce is now coming to an end. Luna Classic will soon reach the 10 mark. Terra Luna Classic Value forecasts the cost breakdown of Luna reveals that it has recently been at a low point. Its general strength list purple has dropped to around 20 in recent days before beginning to rise the day and before indicating a potential comeback. At the beginning of September, the Terra Luna Classic People Group announced an expenditure consumption of 1.2%, but Binance had adopted a different consumption of the exchange rates. It collects in Luna, which has so far destroyed more than 8.5 billion Luna, the duty consumption, which accounts for all levels of the Luna. Exchanges have been reduced to 0.2% as a result of the approval of a different proposal. The fact that comparable concept ensures that 10% of each consumption will be sent to a local area. Improvement pool to help the region once again becomes the Terra Classic environment. However, it makes this potentially optimistic. There is a claim that Luna has additional resources and development assistance available as a result at the time of its record high of $119 established in April. The circling supply was approximately 350 million. Now the population will therefore soon need to consume an extremely large amount of Luna, and even though Settle-based developer labs recently reported plans to consume 2.5 trillion through its pay to acquire a game Artfulness. So it's not completely implausible, but rather it anticipates that a sizable number of people will participate in a previously failed enterprise. In addition, there are no obvious reasons to buy Fluency. Other than the fact that it was once significant, the coin is starting from a very low base and is reportedly the target of purposeful local efforts to drain it. Since its stablecoin sibling USTC consistently trades below $1, it will receive little interest as a stable coin, especially after being so ruthlessly defixed. In the end, Luna currently lacks a meaningful purpose, although it contributed to reducing UST's expenses in the past. In light of this, sustained rises to levels, last seen before its accident, seem difficult to imagine. Even though the digital currency market undeniably trends to act in ways that semi-witnesses would consider absurd. Therefore, anyone going to make a quick and easy killing may be disappointed by this awful review. All things considered, there are several paths open to business owners looking for a respectable profit, at least during the ongoing bear. Market pre-sales have been one of the biggest sources of advantages in 2022. In particular, killer, such recent currencies of damage. TMA collected $19 million during its symbolic transaction, before going on to achieve an increase of 1,800% at a certain moment. After its publishing, it serves as an example Ethereum-based commercial center for carbon. Credits are one interesting pre-sale that is now taking place. It aims to enable users to earn NFT-based carbon counterbalances for online purchases. With eco-friendly merchants, the token is available for 0.018 cents. During the pre-sale, which began on October 3rd and has successfully raised more than $5.5 million. Even though it will before long have its pre-sale costs raised. Given its foundational components, which are likely to appeal to ESG financial supporters, has a good chance of generating a respectable profit. Once it receives its most memorable trade posts, It is impossible to predict the size of such a benefit, but given its areas of strength, it is unlikely that its prospects in the long run are favorable. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.